Bancha tea, all you need to know. Bancha is a type of Japanese green tea that is harvested from the same plant as other green teas, but it is harvested later in the season, usually from late summer to early autumn. It is considered to be a lower grade of green tea compared to other Japanese green teas, such as sencha and gokuro. This is because the leaves are larger, more mature, and have a lower content of caffeine and catechins. Bancha tea is produced using the same process as other Japanese green teas, which involves steaming the leaves to stop oxidation, then rolling and drying them. However, because the leaves are more mature, they are often roasted or fired at a high temperature to give the tea a nutty, toasted flavour. Flavour profile. As tea enthusiasts, we can tell you that the flavour profile of Bancha tea is quite unique and distinct from other Japanese green teas. Bancha tea has a mild yet refreshing flavour with a light body and a slight astringency. It has a subtle sweetness that is balanced by a nutty, toasty note, which is a result of the roasting process that the tea leaves undergo. The aroma of Bancha tea is also quite distinct, with a light vegetal scent that is reminiscent of freshly cut grass or seaweed. The flavour and aroma of Bancha tea are a result of the unique combination of factors such as the maturity of the tea leaves, the roasting process, and the specific terroir or growing environment of the tea. The flavour of Bancha tea is often described as earthy or grassy, with a slightly smoky note that is similar to roasted barley or rice. Some people also detect a slight floral note in the tea, which is more pronounced in higher quality Bancha teas. Overall, Bancha tea has a complex and nuanced flavour profile that is perfect for those who enjoy mild yet flavourful green teas. Its unique taste makes it a popular choice among tea enthusiasts who appreciate the subtleties of different types of tea. This tea is known for its low caffeine content, which makes it a popular choice for those who want to enjoy green tea without the jitters or insomnia associated with high caffeine content. Bancha tea is also rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Health benefits of Bancha tea. Bancha tea is packed with health benefits, much like other types of green tea. Bancha tea is rich in polyphenols, which are antioxidants that help to protect the body from harmful free radicals. Polyphenols also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Bancha tea also contains the amino acid theine, which has been shown to have a calming effect on the body and mind. Theine can help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and promote better sleep. Additionally, the caffeine content in Bancha tea is lower compared to other green teas, which means that it can provide an energy boost without causing jitters or disrupting sleep patterns. Studies have also shown that Bancha tea may help to improve cardiovascular health by reducing LDL, bad cholesterol levels, decreasing blood pressure, and improving blood vessel function. Bancha tea may also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce the risk of developing certain types of arthritis. Overall, the health benefits of Bancha tea are numerous and varied. Regular consumption of Bancha tea can help to improve overall health and well-being, making it a great choice for those who are looking for a healthy and refreshing beverage. In conclusion, Bancha tea is a unique and delicious Japanese green tea that has numerous health benefits. It is a lower grade of green tea compared to other Japanese green teas, but it has a distinct, nutty, toasty flavour that is balanced by a mild sweetness. Bancha tea is rich in polyphenols, theine, and other beneficial compounds that help to reduce inflammation, improve cardiovascular health, and promote relaxation. With its low caffeine content, Bancha tea is a great choice for those who want to enjoy the benefits of tea without the jitters. Overall, Bancha tea is a refreshing and healthy beverage that is perfect for tea lovers who appreciate the subtleties of different types of tea. Be sure to comment on what other topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe.